Hi, this is Boatshed Thames on a 65-foot wide beam. We're starting at the stern of the boat, and here we have the main cabin, built-in wardrobes and central heating. And working forward, and this is the port side. We have a large heads or bathroom. The shower is actually 1200 by 1200. Continuing to walk forward, again on the port side, we have a second cabin. It's a good size with nice light on the triple glazed ceiling. At the moment there's no bed or anything in here, so you can choose to do with it as you would wish. And then walking forward into the saloon and galley area. Wood-fired burner with a back boiler as well. For a full set of specifications and photographs, go to www.boatshedthames.com.